One episode when my parents had a huge fight, one of the biggest ones that they had. I threw up before going to school. I'll never forget it. It was a Monday and a Tuesday. I was, I believe, in the 7th grade. And I threw up on Monday, right before I was going to go to school because they were fighting. Then I tried to go to school on Tuesday. They were still fighting. And I threw up again. And then on Wednesday, I just told everybody, yeah, I just had a stomach virus, something like that. And I'm telling you this, Oh So Safe Kids Not Safe at Home, to let you know that we understand at Oh So Safe. We understand. We're working as fast as we can